All right, so I'll demonstrate how to put a spring in case it comes out or in case you need to replace one. So inside there, underneath where the receptacle for the cartridge is, there's a small little groove. So this top portion, the top ring of the spring is going to fit into that groove. We're going to use this tool, which is actually a dental scraper, to put it in. So I'll hold it like that so that I can see where the end is, put it in, make sure that it's all the way in there. Then I'm going to use this, take the end. Can't really see what I'm doing, but you get the idea. Push the end in and then watch it while you feed the rest of it around. And then you'll know that it's done. And that's it.